What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we got a nice little day trading recap. Traded stock FTSV. I did well, but I failed you. Well, guys, so I do have a live trade here for you today, but I failed you. I failed you, my friends. I failed you. The best part of this trade, I didn't click record, but I do have all the orders here to show you, and I do have live trades on it because I did take consequent trades on FTSV. But by now, I'm sure you've noticed this right here. And where is it? How can I not get my arm right? There we go. That tank back there, somewhere back there. I don't know. Can't see it. I can't mirror myself on the screen capture. See that thing back there? Let me show you it. I'm going to show you it real quick. Come over here. Let me show you. So, guys, this right here. Well, first of all, let me show you that artwork there. Pretty sure you like that. Dream hard, work harder. Underestimate me. That'll be fun. I'd rather hustle 24/7 than slave 9 to 5. I really do live by that one. This right here is a new addition. It's going to be in the background of all my videos. I think you're really going to enjoy and like this a lot. And it is a saltwater tank I'm going to go ahead and put up. Yeah, this is the Nuvo 20-gallon saltwater tank. It has, back here all the filter. Well, you can't really see that because it's kind of dark. It has all the filter area, and I have all the goodies there. A controller and heater, lights. This is going to come out real nice, guys. I think you're really going to enjoy this, seeing it in the videos. It's going to come out super stoked. Let me know if you have a saltwater tank, or if you've ever had a tank, or if you want one, what would you do with it? Just drop it in the comment section below, and let me know what you think about having this in the background. I think it's going to look awesome. Well, welcome back to the work area, guys. And right here, what happened today is FTSV went crazy. It has some news out, and it made a real big move, guys. Like, this is a nice move from 1470 down here all the way to a high day of 2824. That's a massive move. And it looks like it wants to bounce off of VWAP again. As you can see, VWAP has been support throughout this entire move, even on this pullback here and push up higher. It's pulled in one more time. If VWAP holds, I mean, we could see this thing at $30. Guys, I have a good trade. I made decent money on this today. I could have made maybe double the amount of money I made had E-Trade not screwed me on the software. You see, I had my open positions right here. I clicked sell and I sold a part of my position. Then I sat back and said, okay, let's see if we can squeeze out more. Well, out of nowhere, this just closed out. Like, the position just closed out. Like, if somebody just closed it out on me. And I'm like, well, why would this happen? That's very weird. But I was unsure. I don't know if the position is really closed out. I'm not going to waste time calling E-Trade on the phone to find out if they closed out the position or not, because it's a margin account. And then, have the stock turn around on me and just dump all the way back to 15 bucks while I'm on hold. So to play it safe, even though there was nothing here, I clicked sell and sold out of the position, which sucks because I didn't get to sell it, at a good area, like where I wanted to. So it really, I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy at all on this software glitch here, because then it just fumbled me. I got back into it, made a couple cents, sat back down. Then I waited, got back into it one more time, made about 90 cents. So, I didn't even make all the money I could have made out of my first trade with where I'm sitting at right now. But at least I'm green on the day. I was right on my technical analysis, and I traded it well. I'm up over a base hit on the day. So as you know, a base hit's $100. So I'm up over that. I made $150 today. So it's not bad. A good way to start a Monday, but I could have easily made $300. I could have very easily made $200 because my first trade was a $200 trade, because I was up over $2 a share. And I had 100 shares. So yeah. Anyways, let's jump into it, guys. So it halted here. FTSV halted here. As you can see right there, it halted. And then out of the halt, I was looking to see if it could give us a little pullback right down here in the 20 buck area where I could just get long. a couple hundred shares, maybe 200-300 shares, and ride this up to $25 land if we squeeze back over this $22.50. Why $25? Well, because if I'm not mistaken, that area right there, well, actually no, $24 land is what I was thinking. Yep, because $24 is the all-time highs right here in front of $24, $24.8, $23.80, $23.90 area. So that was my goal, and it would have been a very nice trade. You know, you get long $20, $20.50, maybe $21, and you ride it up to 23, a couple hundred shares, easily make $200-300. So that was my plan. Well, it didn't work out that way because out of the halt, it just resumed and pushed straight up to new all-time highs of 26.46. Then it finally pulled it in. As it pulled it in, it got halted here, and I was like, okay, well, you know, that's not too bad. It's getting halted in front of support. Let's see if the support area holds. Support area held. I got long, took some profit off here, and then I had the fiasco and stopped out. So then I restarted my E-Trade. I cleared the cash again, or cache, however you say that. I cleared it again. I clear it every morning. Jump back in here, and my positions are all closed. So I'm in nothing. I'm not in any danger at that moment. At least I hope not. Who knows what the hell's going on with E-Trade. So then I waited and waited, and I had a little scalp somewhere in here. And then here I waited for a break over 24.50, which is this pivot here. It was resistance here, resistance in this area generally. So once we broke that, I jumped in there for a squeeze up over 25, and I did. I caught 90 cents there. So I caught $2 and change over here, 90 cents over here. So all in all, a decent little trade, but it could have been so much better. See, I would have maybe been in my, I never even got my full position here because it just went without me, right? But I would have liked to have gotten 200-300 shares here. $2 a share, 300 shares, you do the math. But I do have the trades here live recorded. But before I show you those, let me show you my orders. Let's see here. Okay, so initial buy, $22.61. I sold some at $24.11. And then I wound up selling the rest at $23.07 when my position box just closed everything out. So I clicked sell, and then it sold me at $23.07, which is garbage. I'm not happy. I mean, I know I made a decent amount of money there, but I'm not happy with it at all. Then I bought again at $23.41, sold out at $23.55. Then I caught another good one, $24.64 buy, $25.50 sell. So that's about 90 cents there, a couple dollars here and change. So all in all, you know, I made $150 in the day. Not bad. I'm not going to be mad about that part. So here's the smaller trade I had. This one is the one I didn't get to record. I'm in here, 50 shares only, $23.41, and I'm trying to protect profits. You know, this thing flushes $1 on me, and I got to stop out. I don't want to lose the full $100 I've already made at this point. So I'll risk $50. So I only have 50 shares. So I'm looking to see if this can, you know, squeeze up over $25, and let's get a move up to 27. But it kind of struggles, as you see. So I just sell out. Right there, I sell out of it. And then it actually had a little pullback that violated that 22.50 area, which is, you know, this previous halt price, the 9 EMA VWAP. Let's see right here. It just dipped right underneath it all the way down to 21.80. So, you know, that was a violation of the support area. I would have stopped out. My next trade on it. Oh no, I just kept recording it so you would see how it violates the support area right there. Here's my next trade. This is another trade, just 50 shares again. I really thought it would have just gone. I was afraid we were going to double top up there in front of the high day. So I just put out an order. And now obviously as soon as I put out my order to sell on the ask, it decides to squeeze up there and make that super nice push. I mean, that would have been great with 50 shares from $24 to 27. You know, I'd be up real nice on the day. But I mean, this is just, I just got flustered, incredibly flustered with that little glitch on the software with E-Trade this morning, and I'm not happy at all about it. We'll continue giving E-Trade a chance here. Nonetheless, decent day, decent profit. That's my only trade, as you can see. How did you do? Drop it in the comment section below. Let me know how you did. Did you catch a piece of this FTSV? If you did, please tell me you did better than me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one.